What is Psi-value and how does it relate to thermal bridging? Imagine a building where heat escapes not just through the walls but along the tiny gaps and joints where different parts meet. That's where the concept of Psi-value comes into play. It might sound technical, but it's a simple idea with big implications for energy efficiency. A Psi-value, or Psi-value, measures how much heat is lost along linear junctions in a building. Think of it as a way to quantify heat flow at the edges where walls meet floors, roofs, or other structural elements. It's expressed in watts per meter Kelvin, which tells us how much heat passes through a 1 meter length of that junction for each degree of temperature difference. Now, why is this important? Because these junctions can be weak spots in your building's insulation. When materials like metal or concrete cross the insulation layer, they can act like bridges for heat to escape or enter. This is called thermal bridging. It's a sneaky way that energy can leak out, making your home less comfortable and increasing heating or cooling costs. Understanding the Psi-value helps architects and builders identify where these thermal bridges are and how severe they might be. Instead of just guessing, they use detailed thermal modeling to calculate accurate Psi-values for each junction. This way, they can design connections that minimize heat loss, like continuous insulation or using less conductive materials at critical points. In sustainable home design, keeping Psi-values low is a key goal. When the heat loss at these junctions is reduced, the overall energy needed to heat or cool the home drops significantly. Sometimes, improving the thermal performance of junctions can be as effective as adding extra insulation to the entire building envelope. For example, if a wall meets a roof with a high Psi-value, it might be responsible for a large chunk of heat loss. By redesigning that junction with better insulation or thermal breaks, you can cut down on that loss. This not only saves money on energy bills but also makes the home more comfortable year-round. To achieve this, architects use thermal modeling software to calculate the Psi-values of critical junctions during the design phase. They then incorporate these findings into energy performance assessments to meet or exceed energy efficiency standards. This process helps create homes that are more resilient, less costly to operate, and better for the environment. In the end, controlling Psi-values is about making smarter choices in how building parts connect. It's a simple but powerful way to reduce heat loss through thermal bridging, leading to homes that stay warmer in winter, cooler in summer, and use less energy overall.